Today is a nuanced session, strong in some areas, weak in others. Here is the full picture. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your complete global indices roundup for June 5th. Caution prevails across asset classes. Investor sentiment is being shaped by gold prices tick up as traders weigh Iran truce prospects, hot us inflation. Let us go region by region across the major global indices. Starting with the Americas session. S&P 500 ticked up plus 0.41% to $7,584.31. Investor sentiment is being shaped by the RE trade is having a terrible day, Business Insider. NASDAQ 100 is trading lower by minus 0.53% at $30,408. Equity markets are responding to reports that Broadcom earnings miss sinks NASDAQ, RE chips slide, go trade. Dow Jones is up plus 1.73%, trading at $51,562. Equity markets are responding to reports that Broadcom earnings miss sinks NASDAQ, RE chips slide, go trade. Starting with the Europe session. DAX is broadly flat at $24,960, awaiting a fresh catalyst. The move follows reports that oil prices fall as Trump sets red lines for Iran ceasefire, barons. FTSE 100 ticked up plus 0.34% to $10,396. Investor sentiment is being shaped by gold prices tick up as traders weigh Iran truce prospects, hot us inflation. CAC 40 ticked up plus 0.37% to $8,274.76. The move follows reports that oil prices fall as Trump sets red lines for Iran ceasefire, barons. Starting with the Asia session. Nikkei 225 dipped minus 1.31% to $66,588. Currency markets are reacting to what would a US-Iran deal mean for European stocks. Hang Seng is down minus 1.15%, trading at $24,962. The move follows reports that can copper challenge iron ore across ASX miners. Calkine Media. Kospi plunged minus 5.54% to $8,160.59 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Broadcom earnings miss sinks NASDAQ, RE chips slide, go trade. Nifty 50 slipped minus 0.20% to $23,370. Investor sentiment is being shaped by the RE trade is having a terrible day, Business Insider. Sensex is little changed, hovering near $74,216. Investor sentiment is being shaped by the RE trade is having a terrible day, Business Insider. ASX 200 dipped minus 0.70% to $8,625.10. The move follows reports that can copper challenge iron ore across ASX miners. Calkine Media. Now let us look at what is driving these moves at the macro level. On the geopolitical front, the move follows reports that oil prices fall as Trump sets red lines for Iran ceasefire, barons. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Investor sentiment is being shaped by gold prices tick up as traders weigh Iran truce prospects, hot us inflation. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. Equity markets are responding to reports that Broadcom earnings miss sinks NASDAQ, RE chips slide, go trade. And looking at how some of the biggest names are trading today. Samsung made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 6.40% to $329,000. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. Goldman Sachs made a dramatic move today, surged plus 4.96% to $1,092.61. Equity markets are responding to reports that Wall Street banks post record trading revenue in Q1, go trade. Alphabet surged plus 3.68% to $372.19 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by this RE stock has everything I look for in a long-term winner. Here's my case. The Motley Fool. Let us give you our near-term view on the Kospi. The technical picture for Kospi has deteriorated. The $7,670.95 level will be critical to monitor. It represents a key line in the sand for bulls. A break below could trigger further stop-loss selling. Manage your risk carefully. To summarize, 5 indices in the green, 7 in the red today. A clear risk-off tone is prevailing across global equities. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. If you found this analysis useful, please hit the like button. It genuinely helps us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for our daily market briefings. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is your global indices roundup from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily updates across every major market.